Okay, great, great.
जैसे मैंने आपके बारे में बताया that you are a young dynamic trainer and you train people more I think you more than 8 years of experience you have in training English and
Yes,
personality development, of course. So, ma'am, I'm really glad to have you here. And you have been working professional as well as homemaker as well as students.
yes, yes. So, yes, I have 8 years experience of training people. I'm into corporate training as well, and I'm an independent trainer with my online classes and courses on personality development, daily English speaking, and
Okay.
English, social English. So yes, that's what I specialize in. And yes, I'm quite new to Instagram. It's just been 2 months, but I've got very good response from everyone. The reason that I've joined Instagram is because I want to help more and more people to gain this knowledge, and if I can help them for their career, for their personal life and growth through the way I develop their skills and help them through my tips and techniques by posting videos daily, posting content daily. I'll be really happy if all my followers and all the my Insta family gains from it and does something exciting in life, achieve something. And yes, I also agreed to come here because you invited me for the interview, and that was really nice. I was excited for it. Also, I would be happy that your followers will gain some thing from today, from my insights, what I share today.
Exactly, ma'am. That's why I'm very excited, and I was telling to my followers that you will get a lot of value and a lot of massive value from this live session today.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Hello, Amit. Hi, everyone.
We have a lot of, I think, your followers also.
Yes, so I can't stop myself from saying hi to them. Hi, Saurabh. Okay, okay, you continue. Hi, we can say hi later. Hi, everyone.
It's okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, actually, I have a couple of questions for you. And the very first is, I'm eager to know that how you started your journey, how you started your journey and reached to this level where you have training, I think more than 25K people.
Yes. So I used to work for JP Morgan Bank. You must have heard the name. It's one of the top banks of the world. It's a US company, JP Morgan Chase. And I was working for that company. But when I attended certain trainings, I realized that I wanted to be a trainer. So I quit
Okay.
my job and I started freelancing. So I used to freelance as a trainer.
All right. Okay.
I started with doing small workshops and seminars, and that's how I started.
Okay, that's very great. You quit your well settled job and then you started freelancing. That is
Yes, a very big risk I've taken in my life. I think I'm still at risk because job compared to business is very different, and every day is a challenge at times. You need to really, really be on the toes. But I love this because it's my passion. I like to train and I like to be known as someone who can influence and help people, train people, and when I see results in the people I train, then I feel very happy. Now, how my journey started is, like I said, I was introduced to one very senior trainer, and I used to attend his workshops and seminars, and I realized that it's like I have it in me. I did some trial sessions, and the way I got response was great. Everybody appreciated it a lot because for a newcomer doing seminar for first time, and
right.
you feel so scared. So the best part is, we had booked an auditorium for around 220 people, and there were around just 10 people in the auditorium. So my confidence had crashed completely. I was feeling so nervous because there are only 10 people in such a big auditorium, and I was like, no one has come. whom am I going to talk with, whom am I going to train, and who's going to
Exactly.
clap. If they don't clap for me, then what's the use of this seminar? So the first time was really, really very lot of pressure on my head. कोई आया नहीं है,
Exactly.
auditorium is empty. But yeah, like today, I sometimes feel today I'm the same person who I train people how they can stand on the stage and give a speech or presentation, how they can become a trainer. So I actually help and train people to do that because I have seen the worst and the best. I've seen the worst in the initial part of my career when there is no one ready to give you work, there's no one ready to try you because you're a newcomer. So like I
Right.
said, that auditorium, that photo, that it's still there in my mind that there is no one in the full auditorium, and still I just knew one thing, that I have to give my best shot, and I just spoke and spoke and spoke, and I just tried my best. But then it's a journey, it just goes developing. So I started off with small organizations which are like they have 5, 10, 20 people in their office, and I used to train them. But there were also again many challenges in that because a small organization can't afford a trainer for a very long time. So after certain, they can't afford you because they can't afford your fees. Then I've
Yes.
also used to do seminars and workshops for students in colleges and schools. And then
Okay.
by step, I started, I have also released my motivational DVD. That is the time like I got a good break when people started knowing me, that I have spoken on motivation, I've spoken on interview preparation, English
Okay.
improvement, personality development. So I have spoken on many nice topics in that, and then that's how people started knowing me. And then I have completely focused on being an independent trainer and
Okay.
classroom training as well as online training. But majorly my focus is on online training.
Okay.
That's what. Sorry.
That's very inspiring, ma'am. That's very inspiring. I'm getting very positive vibes from you.
Thank you.
that's that's very inspiring. एग्जैक्टली मैम कभी कभी एक्चुअली जब ऐसे स्टेप उठाते हैं देन वी थॉट अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट वाज अवर टर्निंग पॉइंट यू कैन से
Yeah, you can say that. Yes, definitely. Because I have seen that time where every day you're doing something that you don't like, and I like to do, and I wanted to get into. Though it was, like I said, a tough decision, but I loved it so much that I just wanted to do it. English language training is something that inspires me every single day, because when I train someone for English language, they somewhere down the line they get connected with me, they get inspired by me, and then they talk to me about personality. Like personality and English really go hand in hand to a great extent. So they talk to me about personality. So my objective to join Instagram is to help more and more people to gain these skills. Like I really am genuinely interested and curious to know that what is stopping people to, develop their English skills, or
एग्जैक्टली
grammar, or be it vocabulary, or be it their personality. What is it that is stopping people from develop these skills, and what is it uh, that I can do to help them. So therefore, I have been at it. I, really use my experience to make content. I make content on all kinds of English speaking. And I also have a lot of reels where I have spoken about personality development. Typically, I have spoken about presentation, public speaking, and public speaking is a major part of personality development. You can say it's really, really connected. So on my page, Karishma, I basically work on daily English, spoken English, business English, personality development. These are the things that I work on. I also have a lot of stuff from the soft skills part where I'm talking about, email writing improvement, interview preparation, those kind of things. I'm talking about.
Mhm. And
It's,
you're
it,
thinking amazing, ma'am, and you put a daily quiz, I think, related to your content. So it will really helpful to people to for revision purpose. Ma'am, I think your video is
yes,
stuck.
I think network problems from someone's side, your side or my side. Hi.
Okay. Okay, so ma'am, I really want to ask you as an English learner. So, in order to get fluent in English, we have to master, I think, four skills, which is reading, writing English, and reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And but according to you, which one skill you prefer? Matlab, according to you, which one is the best you prefer? Which one we have to focus more?
So it's like I'll ask you a question. So can a car run on three tires?
No.
Can you say that only one or two or three skills can be? It's like कि discount दे दो ना वैसा है. You don't want to compromise on the quality, but you want discount. It's like that. So all skills are equally important because all four skills, you need all four tires to run the car, right? So all four skills are
Exactly.
important, equally important.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Because
ma'am. Actually,
there is no
yes,
shortcut
ma'am.
and there is no
I
shortcut
actually,
in language skills.
yes, I completely agree with your point. These four skills are very important, not only to get fluent in English, only to any other language, I think.
Yes, absolutely. So it's a language after all. It's like any other language. But in English, especially because not every language or any other language can take you to places. If you're traveling, let's say you're not traveling for work, you're just traveling for pleasure or just for fun. You're just traveling for recreation. So how will you communicate with the local people or if you want to try some activities or in that place, then you need a mode of communication, a common language
Mhm.
to communicate with people.
Exactly.
So that time, any other language would not help. That time, only English would help because even that person would at least know some part of English to communicate with you. So you require
Yes,
English, specifically all four skills. You are required to work on all the four skills equally
exactly.
so that you can do that.
True. That's true, ma'am. That's true. But ma'am, I think you also face this problem. I think क्या होता है कि when we while speaking English, we stuck between framing sentence because of lack of vocabulary. So, according to you, what is the role of vocabulary in our life?
Yes, absolutely. It's a wonderful question that you have asked me. So, if you just go on my page, there is the first thing that you will see on my page. The first content is vocabulary. Okay, what is vocabulary? How to develop it? What is the true meaning and definition of vocabulary? It's a 4 to 5 minutes IGTV video. I would strongly recommend you, before I answer your question, Diksha, I would recommend everybody to watch that video because if you are someone who's enthusiastic, passionate to develop your vocabulary, then this video can change your life. Do invest 5 minutes of your time, go on my page, Mental Karishma, and watch the video where it clearly says meaning of vocabulary. That is the title of that video. So watch
Yes.
that video. I have
Do
explained. Okay,
yes.
back to your question. Okay. Yes, vocabulary is very important because without words, you can't really communicate. And if you see Diksha, as you always message me and like you always comment on the content that I put. So if you notice, I focus a lot on vocabulary, like my daily conversation posts and opposites and commonly confused videos. What are commonly confused words? They are
Exactly.
words, right? So they are words that sound similar. They look similar. They seem to be similar, but they
Exactly.
have different implications. They
Different.
have different uses. They have different meanings. So that's
Hmm.
what I work. I really work majorly on a lot on the vocabulary. Vocabulary is definitely very important, And I'm happy that you asked me this question so that we can share with our followers that vocabulary is very important to polish your skills of English language. Trust me, it is not just for language, it is also for personality. Now, if you look at my videos, so it's something as simple as I've have a video called "Commonly Confused Word" on its versus its. So one
Okay.
its is without apostrophe and other is with apostrophe. So now
Uh,
it's like, one may think that ये तो second standard grammar है, but it's not like that. English and grammar is always going to be there with us. And I have explained this. It may be simple, but it's really very critical and important. Therefore, I focus a lot on vocabulary building, and vocabulary polishing somewhere is connected to commonly confused words. When you will understand the meaning of words, when you will be clear about the meaning, you will be clear about the application, you know how to use it, you know where to use it, you know when to use it in a sentence. So, for example, climate and weather. So, you must see my video on commonly confused word on climate versus weather. I can
Yes,
I
right.
can assure you that 80-90% of people go wrong with this. That what is the difference between climate and weather? Where to use climate and where to use weather? Recently, I have made a video for you all that is during versus while. During versus while sounds very similar, right? But the meaning in Hindi is same, but in English, the
It's quite exactly.
a lot on that. All my commonly confused words videos are words that we use on daily basis, and they play a role in our daily communication, daily, social, professional, even as a student. It's going to help you a lot. So yes,
Exactly.
vocabulary is a great role. Hi,
Exactly,
Shruti.
ma'am. It's also enrich our language.
Yes, absolutely.
So, the main problem which I think every English learner is facing right now is we write 10 to 20 words. Okay. For example, हमने अगर हम किसी न्यूज़पेपर से न्यूज़पेपर को पढ़ते हैं तो वहां से हम 10 to 20 वर्ड्स पढ़ लेते हैं बट द थिंग इज वी कैन नॉट एबल टू मेमोराइज दीज वर्ड फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग पीरियड
Sure.
फॉर
So
अ लॉन्ग हाँ
from the one of Uski Ade, please upload the session as my net is slow. Okay. So I hope you're going to upload the session on your page, right? So if somebody
yes,
has missed or net is slow, then they can watch it.
sure. Yes, sure.
Yes, yes. Yes, can you repeat your question?
So, ma'am, I want to say the main problem we are facing regarding vocabulary is we cannot able to memorize it for a long time. So that is a main issue. We can at one time we can write down 10 to 20 words, but we hardly memorize one or two words out of them.
Okay. So
So,
do you want me to do a magic formula for remembering the words or?
exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
So I really think that I mean there are so many words, millions of words in the English language. So I this question is always asked to me in all this kind of interview and live sessions and in my workshops also. But then yes, you can remember words when you make them part of your daily routine. When you use them a lot, you start remembering words. And if you have a good memory, you can definitely memorize the words. But if something comes naturally to you, for example, if you like to sing, so singing would come naturally to you. You would not think that you must have heard bathroom singer, right? What is a bathroom singer? बाथरूम सिंगर है जो वो बिंदास गाता है, वो ये नहीं सोचता कि सुर लग रहा है इसमें, I'm singing correct or not, who's listening to me. He doesn't bother. He loves to sing, so he sings. So if you become like that person who is free and is passionate to learn, develop that skill, so you will use vocabulary freely without worrying about whether it's right or wrong. So it will become a daily routine, daily habit for you. And then you will see that, unconsciously you will start remembering words. Words will start coming to your mind. Make it a part of your routine. Speak more, use more words. That's
Okay.
follow me, follow Diksha. Follow, that's
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Actually, that is a great advice from your side. Thank you so much.
yes.
So, मैम एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरा बिकॉज योर नीश इज पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश ऑफ कोर्स बट पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट एक ऐसा चीज है ना जो मतलब हर एक इंसान चाहता है एक हर एक पर्सन चाहता है टू एनहांस देयर पर्सनालिटी एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर इट रियली आई थिंक इट रियली हेल्प्स टू क्लाइम द कॉर्पोरेट ladder. I personally believe. So, what is the one advice from you to give our viewers to enhance our personality?
Okay, so it's a very quite a vast topic for this. Maybe we can conduct some other time a session or meeting for that. But yeah, to tell you in short, definitely you can work on your skills. Like I say that I always say those. So do begin with improving your English skills, right? Follow Mentor Karishma again, okay, so that you can improve your skills. Second
Oh
is
God.
yourself, work on yourself. These are the two quick things that you can start doing, and we can definitely talk more about it. But yes, personality is definitely like the way you present yourself. So if you have
Exactly.
skills, you will present yourself well.
Yes, because on this time period, we actually need this skill to express
Yes,
ourselves in best possible way.
yes,
So
yes.
that is indeed actually. So, ma'am, and anything, one suggestion you love to give to our viewers regarding spoken English, and as you said, actually, I also recommend your page because I also learned soft skills from your page. So that is very very knowledgeable and informative. So you should go and follow Mentor Karishma ma'am because she's providing massive value to you guys to go and follow her. But ma'am, one trip, one trick and tip which you can give to our viewers.
Okay, so like so I have started a K9 series. It's a very special and exclusive series where I am sharing best practices from 8 years of experience that I have collected, collated, and any of the things like I train from not from the book but from my heart because it's from my actual struggles what I have learned so many things, my actual experiences, actual working on the floor, working in the business, working in the market. And I have trained anyone, even a small child to a senior citizen to a homemaker to a student to a professional or an entrepreneur, a job professional, corporate person. So I've trained people from different backgrounds, and I come along with that expertise and experience. So I have started this K9 series where we already did the first episode a couple of days before, and you must attend. Diksha, I invite you also to attend,
Or
and
ma'am,
it
sure.
will really help you because those are best practices that I'm going to share with regards to improving your communication skills, your English speaking, fluency, and many other things which are related to soft skills and English communication skills. So you must attend my K9 series. Stay updated on my page, on my stories. Check out my posts. Do my activities also. I give a lot of activities in my videos and posts. There are daily quiz in the stories. Try the quiz. At least you are in touch with what is your current level of fluency. You come to
Huh.
know, and I reply to all the comments where people send me the activities, and I just I'm really super busy, but I take out time and I answer each and every activity that everyone is sending. So I answer that, and that will really really help you. Do that. Do try the activities, and definitely K9 series is going to help you a lot for you,
That,
everyone.
that- Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think I'm done with all of my queries, but our viewers asked some of the questions. Also, I would love to take their questions.
Oh, hi, Claire. Okay, so I'm doing a live session with Claire on Monday. So do join in, Diksha, and everyone. Do
Sure,
join in
ma'am.
at 5:30 in the evening on Monday. Do join.
Okay, so ma'am, one of our viewer asked that a lot of remains in the mind, but nothing comes on the tongue. What to do with that?
So speak, like I said earlier, that make it your daily habit. If you like music, if you like listening to songs, then try listening to English songs. Try to sing along.
Okay.
If you like playing PUBG, then tell me what do you like about PUBG. Or tell your friend about it, or discuss PUBG in English. Whatever is your
Hmm.
activity, do it in English. Discuss your activity.
Matlab, try to make your environment English. Try to create an English environment around you.
Environment, yes, absolutely.
Yes. Ma'am, Ashish asked that grammar is very tough. Can you please share something that it makes easier?
Okay, so probably we can do it next time because I think we are running out of time already. It's
Sure, sure, ma'am.
6:35,
Sure, sure. Okay.
right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with me, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with me. And I'm really happy to have you here. Thank you so much for your time.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. I had a great time talking to you. And bye, everyone. Have a great weekend. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and don't forget to follow me immediately after this session. That is Mentor Karishma.
Yes, guys, do follow Mentor Karishma, ma'am. You will get a lot of value out of her page. Do follow her, guys. You will gonna improve your soft skills, personality development. Please do follow her. And ma'am,
Sure.
I will definitely gonna give link of your that video which you suggest for vocabulary building. So yes.
That-
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Uh, So guys, this is all about today's live session and अगर मैं आपको करिश्मा मैम के बारे में बताऊँ, शी इज वेरी हम्बल. जब मैंने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया ना लाइव सेशन के बारे में, सो उसके टाइम पीरियड से ही वो बहुत सपोर्टिव थी. उन्होंने मुझे पूरा सपोर्ट किया कि लाइक एक्चुअली क्योंकि मेरा ये फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस था किसी इंग्लिश ट्रेनर के साथ ऐसे लाइव सेशन करने का. सो शी सपोर्ट मी throughout the session, and she's very humble, she's very sweet. So please do follow her. Okay. आप you will not never get disappoint. आप जरूर उनको follow करो. Okay, I got it. You have to just express your feelings in a language to be the best in that language. Exactly, you have to express your feelings. And अगर मैं online classes में क्या करती हूँ, basically I told them to tell me about their daily routine. ठीक है? And anything, you can listen to any music in English, okay, and then share the lyrics with me. So there are a lot of activities which I've designed for my students. What was the four important thing, ma'am? Four important thing about what? Sorry, Kamesh, I didn't get you. Four important thing. Hi, Hardika. Yes. So guys, do you enjoy this session? Do you enjoy this session? अगर आपको ये जरूर, if you enjoy this session, I will really gonna continue this. Give me your feedback regarding. Now you can ask your queries also. You can ask your queries, and please do follow Mentor Karishma. Kamish, can you please repeat your question? What was the four important thing? Shabi, I was busy. I didn't join. Is it post after? Yes, I will post it. Actually, I will post it on YouTube also. So, okay. Is he talking about reading? Okay. Are you talking about reading, writing, and listening and speaking? So these are the four important skill you have to go through. रीडिंग, राइटिंग, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग. ठीक है, आप रीडिंग के लिए कोई भी नॉवल को कंसीडर कर सकते हो, कोई भी बुक रीड कर सकते हो. फॉर राइटिंग आप डेली डिक्टेशन कर सकते हो. ऑफ कोर्स आप लिसनिंग के लिए कोई भी ऑडियो बुक सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. एंड फॉर स्पीकिंग यू नीड टू स्पीक विद वन पार्टनर. देखो मैंने आपको एक इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग एप्लीकेशन शेयर किया है वेयर यू कैन टॉक विद स्ट्रेंजर विद इन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. ओके, सो वहां पर जाके आप उनसे स्ट्रेंजर से बातें कर सकते हो एंड यू विल गेट फ्लुएंट. देखो व्हाट विल बी द एडवांटेज ऑफ इट, दैट you are becoming you are going to avoid your hesitance. Okay, when you are speaking with a stranger. So because जब हम अपनी क्लोज वन से बात करते हैं इंग्लिश में, so होता क्या है कि we are going to hesitate a lot. But when you are speaking with a stranger and you know that he will not going to meet you, then you know that you talk with fluency. Okay, you get your fluency, so you can talk with him or her on let's talk English. Yes, Let's Talk English is an application which I'm talking about. Okay, so and a lot of I have told a lot of about all of these application where you can talk with the stranger. I can share with you. Okay, just DM me. I will share all the links where you will get to know about all that website and applications. Okay guys, so I think it's really exciting to see you all from a very long time. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this live session and I will meet you soon. Okay, see ya, bye bye.